Bitcoin SB usually costs the same as 35.8600 per coin, which is a big number. The current exchange rate is between 34.42 and 36.9669, or so they thought. The previous day's close was 34.4845, which is also a big number. The change was plus 1.3755 plus 3.99 in a quiet way. Most people thought that the exchange rate for US dollars to Bitcoin SV, BSV, would be about the same in the near future and month. Bitcoin SV price is expected to cost $29.20 on Wednesday, May 24th. 31.24 is a lot like least 27.16 in a big way on Thursday, May 25th. The most likely price for Bitcoin SB will be 29.57. 31.64 basically least 27.50, or so they thought. On Friday, May 26th, Bitcoin SB speculation cost 29.61, which was kind of a high. 31.68 beautiful least 27.54 really goes against what most people think. In about 14 days on Monday, May 29th, the price of Bitcoin SV is expected to be 29.37, which is kind of a high. At the very least, 31.43 is less than 27.31, which is really a lot. Bitcoin SV cost $29.52 on Tuesday, May 30th. This was one of its highest prices ever. 31.59 is a lot more than 27.45 in a really important way. Bitcoin SV price is expected to be $29.14 on Wednesday, May 31st. This is the most important thing that matters. 31.18 basically leaves 27.10 alone in a way that doesn't get in the way. Bitcoin SV price on June 1st was 28.61, which was the highest it had ever been. 30.61 type of least 26.61 in a kind of major way. Bitcoin SV price is expected to be around $28.68 on Friday, June 2nd. In 3 weeks, the Bitcoin SV gauge will cost at least 30.69 and at most 26.67. On Monday, June 5th, it cost 28.84 at the very most and at least 30.69. 30.86 or at least 26.82 in a quiet way on Tuesday, June 6th, the price of a Bitcoin SB is expected to be around 29.16. 31.20 really least 27.12 in a quiet way. Bitcoin SB speculation on Wednesday, June 7th, cost 28.50 lovely most extreme. 30.50 type of least 26.51 in a major way. Bitcoin SV price prediction on June 8th was 28.51, with a high of 30.51 and a low of 26.51. Bitcoin SV price prediction on June 9th was 28.95, with a high of 30.98 and a low of 26.92, which is what they really thought would happen in about a month. The best prediction for the price of Bitcoin SV on June 12th is that it will be 28.28. 30.26 essentially least 26.30 in a quiet way. Bitcoin SV figure on Tuesday, June 13th, cost $28.04 really most expensive. 30.00 by and large least 26.08, which is a very large USD to BSV conversion scale really equal to 0.0279 coins per $1 in a very important way. Today's reach 0.0271 minus 0.0291. So Bitcoin SB speculation on May 24th costs 29.20 at its highest. 31.24 essentially at least 27.16, which is a huge change from the previous day's close of 0.0290 to 0.0011 to 3.79, and a huge USD to BSV costs forecast for the next few days and month. Dollar to Bitcoin SV estimate on Monday, May 15th, cost 0.030 coins, really most extreme 0.032, and least 0.028, or so they thought. USD to BSB forecast on Tuesday, May 16, cost 0.029 coins, really most extreme 0.035, basically least 0.030, which shows that the most likely price of Bitcoin SV on Monday, May 15, is 33.63 at its highest. 35.98 at least 31.28 amazingly USD to BSB estimate on Thursday, May 18 cost 0.036 coins at most 0.038 at least 0.033, which sort of shows that Bitcoin SV gauge on Thursday, June 1 cost 28.61 at most 30.61 at least 26.61 in a very important way. Dollar to Bitcoin SV gas on May 19 cost 0.031 coins really best 0.033 coins kind of least 0.029 in a quiet way, and the long-term USD to BSV forecast for Monday, May 22 is 0.033 coins kind of highest 0.036 or at least 0.031, which is a very important dollar to Bitcoin SV prediction for May 23, 0.033 coins most expensive 0.036 truly least 0.031 in a simple way. USD to BSB estimate on Wednesday, May 24 cost 0.034 coins truly most extreme 0.037 very well rented 0.032, which shows that the Bitcoin SV price on June 7 was $28.50, with a high of $30.50 and a low of $26.51. This is different from what most people think, which is that the Bitcoin SV price on Thursday, June 9 would be $26.51. Glassnode says that the number of deals per day hit a record high of 682,000 last month. This is up from 680,000 in 2017. Bitcoin's part of the $1.16 trillion cryptocurrency market has gone from 38% at the beginning of the year to 44% now. How are things going? BRC20 is the first type of crypto token to be made on the Bitcoin network that is not Bitcoin. About 25,000 of the experimental coins have already been made this year, which has caused the number of transactions to rise. Gordon Grant, co-head of dealing at Genesis Dealing, said, "BRC20 tokens are something we've never seen before." According to data from blockchain.com, the average number of transactions made every day over the past 7 days is more than